Good morning friends, my name is Singh and today we will see CBSE Pattern MCQ series that is based on IP subject. All questions are based on social impact topic. Now let's start the session. First question is a software that freely accessed and modified is called. Your options are first synchronous software, second open source software, third package software, fourth middleware software, and our correct answer is open source software. Next question is IPR stands for. Our options are first intellectual property rights, second intelligent property rights, third intellectual property rights, fourth instance property rights, and our correct answer is intellectual property rights. Question third, advantage of open source software, and our options are you can edit source code to customize it. Yes. Second, you need to be expert to edit code. Third, you have to pay. Fourth, can something be too generic for a specialist purpose? And our correct answer is you can edit source code to customize it. Question 4, IAD stands for, and our options are first internet access disadvantage, internet advanced disorder, third internal addiction disorder, fourth internet addiction disorder, and our correct answer is internet addiction disorder. Next, expands OSS, and our options are open safe secure, second open system software, third open source software, fourth Vola system software, and our correct answer is open source software. Next, FLOSS stand for, and our options are free level open source software, second free libre open source software, third fast libre open source software, and fourth none of these, and correct answer is free libre open source software. Next question is expand GNU. Our options are first GNU is not Unix, government not Unix, GNU undo, and none of this, and our correct answer is GNU is not Unix. Next question is expand SDLC, and our options are system development life cycle, source development life cycle, source development life cycle, system development life cycle, and our correct answer is system development life cycle. Next question is discarded electrical or electronic devices is known as. Our options are computer, phone, e-waste, and last TV, and our correct answer is e-waste. Next question is disadvantage of open source software, and our options are high quality software with lots of features, you can edit the source code to customize it, not as customizable, may not have been tested as much proprietary software, and our correct answer is not as customizable. Next question is the generally recognized term for the government protection afforded to intellectual property is called, and our options are computer security law, aggregate function information, copyright law, and fourth none of these, and our correct answer is copyright law. Next question is which of the following would be a creative work protected by copyrights, and our options are first a list of all Indian president name, a portrait of your family, the name of your pet dog, a song you wrote, and our correct answer is a song you wrote. Next question is which of the following is not type of cybercrime, and our options are data theft, forgery, damage to data and system, installing antivirus for protection, and our correct answer is installing antivirus is not a cybercrime. Next, which of the following is not done by cyber criminal? Our options are first unauthorized account access, mass take using Trojan as botnets, email spoofing and spamming, report vulnerability in any system. And our correct answer is report vulnerability in any system. Next question is, what is the name of the IT law that India is having in the Indian legislature? And our options are India's Technology Act 2000, second India Digital Information Technology Act 2000, India Information Technology Act 2000, all of the above. And our correct answer is IT Act 2000. Next question is, what is meant by cybercrime? And our options are any crime that is used computer to attempt national security. Next, the use of computer network to commit financial and identity fraud. Next, the theft of digital information. And fourth option, any crime that involves computer and network. So our correct answer is a crime that involves computer and network is known as cyber crime. Next question is, which of the following is e-waste? And our options are ripened bananas, old computer, old clothes, fourth empty soda cans. And our correct answer is old computer. Next question is, the rights of the owner of the information to decide how much information is to be shared are collectively is known as, our options are intelligent property rights, intellectual property rights, interactive property rights, all of the above. And our correct answer is intellectual property rights. Next question is, stealing someone else's intellectual work and represent it as own is called, our options are plagiarism, spamming, malware, and intellectual property rights. And our correct answer is plagiarism. Next question is, the information exists in digital form is called, our option are digital assets, assets, digital property, fourth both option 1 and third. And correct answer is option 4. Every activity you perform on the internet is saved for how long? And our options are 1 month, second to 1 year, third as per setting, fourth forever. And our correct answer is forever. The digital trial which gets created as a person's internet uses using computer, smartphone, gaming, console, etc. is called, and our options are internet data, internet trial, e-footprint, digital footprint. And our correct answer is digital footprint. Gaining unauthorized access to a network or computer or digital files without malicious intentions is called, and our options are cracking, hacking, banging, phishing. And our correct answer is hacking. Next question is, legal terms to describe the rights of a creator of original creative work is called copyrights, copyleft, GPL, all of the above. And our correct answer is copyright. Next question is, a malicious code which self-replicated by copying itself to the other program. And our options are plagiarism, phishing, Trojan horse, and worm. And our correct answer is fourth option, worm. Next question is, which of the following tracks your internet browsing habits and send you pop-ups containing advertisement related to the sites and topic you have visited? And our options are Trojan, second viruses, third worm, fourth adware. And our correct answer is adware. Next question is, what is the broad term covering computer virus, worm, Trojan, adware, etc.? Our options are malware, spyware, worms, and fourth option adware. And the correct answer is malware. Next question is, unauthorized monitoring of other people communication is called. Our options are Trojan, airdropping, spoofing, pharming attack, and our correct answer is eavesdropping. Next question is, an attempt where a hacker tries to divert network traffic to a bogus site. Now our options are farming attack, phishing scheme, farming, and fourth none of these, and our correct answer is farming attack. Next question is, which of the following source of spreading viruses from one computer to another, and our options are email, infected data, infected program, all of the above, and our correct answer is all of the above. Next question is, the attempt by individual to obtain confidential information from you through an original looking site and URL, and our options are farming attack, phishing schemes, Guido intrusion, none of these, and our correct answer is phishing scheme. Next question is, a small piece of data sent from a website and stored in a user web browser while a user is browsing a website is called. Option is cookies, second farming, third worms, fourth Trojan, and our answer is cookies. Thank you for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel.